Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.25-inch IPS touchscreen special for BMW 1 Series E81, E82, E87, E88. Okay, 25 to 2012 years. If your head unit haven't a screen or not have, you can replace this stereo for your car. Okay, let me introduce this 10.25-inch touch screen. You can check the back. This shape and you can check this E87 this power, this USB, this audio connection, this GPS, this 4 seats, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You can check the back. Okay. Let me connect it. Let me show the harness. This special harness and connector cable for BMW 1 Series. Okay, this small speaker. Okay, you can check this power connection. I'm back in this position. And you can check. Okay, this female plug. Okay, this male plug. Okay, this fuse box. Okay, this you can check this camera input, setup camera input, and this Y camera detect Y. This is camera 12 voltage. Okay. And this USB, these two USB cable, long cable, and this connection connect on back head unit. this position. Okay, let me connect. Okay. You can check connected. This audio cable, this connection, this position, this DVR video input, and this video input, video in, this video out 1 and the video out 2. This external microphone. Our header unit already built in microphone. AUX input left and right. Okay. Please connect this position. Okay, let me connect. Okay. Now you can check connected. The upper position for power. Okay. It will come with this iDrive. Sorry. This iDrive will come with the header unit together. And, let me this connect factory. Okay. And it comes with GPS antenna. Please use our GPS antenna. This GPS. The original GPS antenna doesn't work. This audio AUX cable to get the sound. Okay. This knife. This wiring paper. This fit paper. You can check the red line is cutting boundary line. This red wire. And suitable for BMW 1 series E87, E81, E82, E88. This air. Okay. Okay, let me power with header unit. Connect power cable. Let me show. This position is power. This power connection. Firstly, I would advise you please put the power cable connector it first. Okay, it's fitted. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. Okay, it shows the BMW logo. Okay, it shows the UI interface. This is no single for you need to connect backup camera. Then it will disappear. Okay, let me show it. You have music, navigation, Bluetooth, video, car info, browser file managed DVR dashboard, for link apps, settings. It's built-in easy connection for mirror link. The Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. This dashboard. All apps are here. It's built in Google Maps, Google Play Store. You can download the applications from Google Play Store. It's AutoKit application for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. TPMS, DAB+. Okay, let me show the settings. This time, language, you can add more language. Time, audio, camera, video. Okay, more settings. Let me check the about tablet. It's a PX6 chip, fastest chip in the market. RK3399. Android 9 Pie system. Okay. System info, you can check Android 9 Pie system, RAM 4GB, 32GB. Okay. This factory setup. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us.